Do you like sound? Well, here's an interesting little machine. It's a Little Bits kit made by Korg. And this one starts the pitch of your sound. And as you can see, this one is giving us 4 steps in the sound. And I can set the volume for each step. And change its mode. Now, it's not a pretty sound, but this is how synthesizers started. Science fiction sound effects, sounds from old movies, were made using this kind of method. Let's see what else we can add. This one gives us an echo effect. Turn up the volume. And it's all coming out of this tiny little speaker. Let's detach that one and try something different. This one changes the feeling of the sound, or the timbre. I wonder if we can put it all together. You sure can have fun with sound.